A China Semiconductor Limited, located in Hong Kong Science Technology Park, is an IC design company. We aim to develop full range of 32-bit microcontroller with security function, especially MCU with physical uncountable function. PUF ID is a truly random, uncountable, unique ID. It's the one and only one key in the earth, like human fingerprint concept. On the following, we will demonstrate an encryption radio remote lock application by using PUF feature with MCU007. I use MCU007 development box, keypads, 453 MHz radio module, door model, USB hub, micro USB cables, and PC terminal software term for this demo. This is the board diagram. Two sets of MCU007 development board and radio module from the key with key firmware. One set from the lock with locker firmware. The lock set connected with door model. Connected stops up. Connects the hub to the computer. 3 USB cable put to the hub. And one connected to the lock. And 2 to the key. The USB cables power the box and also can observe the firmware action and PUF ID. Lock and key should be matched at the first use. Once matched, key will memorize the lock PUF ID and moment setup. First, power the development board from USB sockets. Second, press lock and key development board reset button. Third, press key S4 button to activate matching process. Then, press lock S1 to match through wireless transmission. Finally, after matched, key S1 for lock close, key S2 for lock open. We can monitor the enrollment or matching process with UART terminal. Open term software on PC and observe key data with paired key and lock. Also observe other key that hasn't paired. It can be found that the PUF ID is different and cannot control the lock. From the observed data, the red box shows the paired PUF ID, and the blue box shows errors with unpaired ID key. It demonstrates the use of MCU007 PUF ID. Now take a look how PUF ID creates and its potential application. If you have any questions or want to understand MCU007 in detail, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.